And we're live for live stream 257. Potentially along here.
Order filled.
.1.
Stop filled.
Supposed to reset the account. Let's reset the account. Edit account. Yep, reset. Keep the history. Yes. Okay. So it's meant to take a short over there and a short over there. Or 41. $15.75. $29.50. $34.25. Added.
Order filled.
Added. 39.75. It's 34. $29.50. $13.75. It's a target field over there on the ES. Let's celebrate. We're winning. Target field over there on the it's a target field over there on the NQ as well. Hold on, I missed my gold. What am I doing? $29.3. 25.5. Target filled on gold there. Let's celebrate. We're winning. So we're up 20. Going short. $41.75. 41.75. 74. 34.75. 3475. 2075. Target filled there on the ES. Let's celebrate. We're winning. Just waiting on NQ here. Got down to 80. Target's down at 74. Add to the position. $32. $32. $60.75. Just got in short there on ES. Looking for 14.75. $29. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out. Giving back some of this realized 27. Despite this pullback, I still think it's going to take out our 32. But we'll see.
Target filled.
Okay, target one filled there on that spike down. Came pretty close to target over here on Our friends over at ES got onto 15 into the VWAP here. Oh, actually, we should celebrate that. We're winning. Mm. Quite a fair bit of buying there. Maybe this will take us higher. We get stopped out. Who knows? We'll see. So currently realized 43 at the moment. We're seeing gold come back here. Could translate to buying in the equities. Who knows?
Order filled.
Just add it there.
Order filled.
Just add it over there. 47.25. 47.25. 28.75. 28.75. 13. 13. 52.50. Seems I'm about to get a short on gold.
Order
Short on gold. Stop at 39. Target down at 31. Oh, come on. Came so close. Got down to 61.75. 4 ticks away. Got down to 15.50. Only a couple of ticks away over here on ES as well. See that 15.50 keeps holding us up. Target filled right there on ES. Let's celebrate. We're winning. Let's see if the second target down at 13 gets filled. Got down to 13.75 there, 3 ticks away. 13.50, 2 ticks away. We actually went down to 13.25, 1 tick away. Seems like it's going to get it. Target filled there on ES. Let's celebrate. We're winning. So we're up to 62 here. I think if we get both targets across here, I think we'd hit our target for the day, assuming we don't lose on the gold. So we're still holding up on this view up here. We're up at 78. Gold is continuing up here. We are. At some point, buyers are going to come in, right? Going short there on ES. 25.75 stop. A10 target. Yes, this is where the buyers come in. Off this VWAP drives us higher, and we give back some of the realized profits. Nice strong move higher on the ES. Seeing gold come back here, so these two may offset one another, but still got an issue because we've got this NQ with a lot of contracts on. So it would have been nice to get that contract out there at the 60.75s. Oh well. Let's see if we can sell. Doesn't seem like it. Guess the market wants to go higher here. Take out these highs. Yeah, this is just moving very smoothly to the upside. No more sellers, he appears to be. Here comes the bulls. Here comes the bulls. See, built a lot of profits shorting, but bulls have come back. They've had enough. Oh, seems I'm about to get another opportunity to go short in our friends over at gold. Shorted there. 37.5, 37.5, 31.1. Let's see what gold wants to do here.
Stop bill.
Stopped out there. Hmm. 6 seconds to go. Yep,
Order filled.
just got in there. Looking for 68.25. Looking for 68.25. Stop up at 61.25. 61.25. So this seems to be wanting to come down to that 810, but I'm not sure. Let's see here. 68.25. Make sure that's right. Yep, 68.25. Looking at the 810s. Gold isn't looking too smart at the moment. Hoping that these two can offset any potential loss on gold. So before we're at the highest close was 62. Now we're down to 44. Gold bottom right looks like it's going to be a stop out. Oh, here we go. Come on. Go and pick us up. How close was that? Got down to 70.75. Couple of ticks away from the 68.25.
Stop bill.
Stopped out there on the first part.
Stop bill.
Stopped out again on gold as it continues to break higher. Down to 27. Was up at 62. See if we can take some of this off the table here. Certainly would like to take this off the table. Certainly would like to take all of these off the table. It's an awkward place my targets are. This came down to 61.75. The target was down at 60.75. Now this has come down to 70.75 and the target is at 68.25. Goodness me. Well, I've seen a strong breakout there to the upside on gold. Came down, putting a higher low into that VWAP. About to get an add-on. About to get an add-on our friends over at ES.
Order filled.
Okay, we just added 25.50 is a stop. $8.08 is a target. So this is either going to be really fruitful or really expensive. Got the could be seen as a double bottom higher low off the VWAP here on NQ. Slightly lower low. Could be seen as a double bottom there on ES. With the move back through the VWAP, this blue line. We'll see. Only got down to 12. That's quite a distance actually. 12.25 down to 8.10. That's quite a distance. Currently up only 27. See, the price action there felt like it was some sort of news event. But then it went down to the VWAP and buyers were able to drag it back up. Interesting stuff. Looks like it's going to be a bunch of stop outs. Very expensive. Mm. Oh well. We'll see. Doesn't look good from this perspective. Seems that our VWAP's holding. Here we go. Should be getting stopped out on the ES pretty soon here.
Stop fail.
There we go. Top right here, about to be stopped out on the other contracts on it. Yeah, there we go. Stopped out again, down to only 8. The conditions have been met for long trades across both ES and NQ. But I have to let this NQ trade play itself out. Come on, I'd like to get a piece of this short on gold, but doesn't appear that this market wants to give me that. Ah. Mm. Okay, seems I'm about to get a long here on ES. Just gotta wait for it. Oh, my flipping word. It's not gonna give me the long. It's not gonna give me the long. Too much buying. Gotta be stopped out here. Oh, hold on, I got a short on gold. Let's try and take a short on gold. NQ. Let's just stop out on NQ. Sorry, 4.6. 41.8. Can see I'm only down to 7, but unrealized with this big loss pending, I should be negative on the day. Seem to be heading towards that 34.6 there pretty quickly. Let's see if we get filled. Certainly would have liked to have loaded in more contracts, but take the profits as we get them. Hit the 34.6, another thing. There we go. We're winning. So I'll celebrate that small win. I'll celebrate that small win. I'll take a long gear on ES. 17. $17 is a stop. 30.75 is a target. We got 16. Still got these losses pending over on NQ. Quite a bit in terms of losses. Yeah, quite a bit. We'll see. We'll certainly see. Certainly would prefer to lose over here and get to target on these two. Well, on this over on NQ. That certainly would be my preference. Because we've got more risk on over here than over here. So we got 16. We're up at 62 at the highs. realized. Unrealized, we're above 80. Seems as I'm about to get another short here. Short. Take another short right there on gold. 40.3. 32.3. So we'll keep an eye on gold in the bottom right here. Go back to our NQ chart, which is in some trouble. ES is heading towards its target. Hasn't provided me the opportunity to add to the position. Seem to be heading down towards target here on gold, bottom right. Target's sitting down there at 32.3. We've gone as low as 32.8, so 5 ticks away. So we've got more contracts on NQ, less on ES. So the problem is move up is going to be result in negative P&L because we've got more contracts on over here. than over here. Also, this is more volatile than this. Mm. Wonder if we're gonna get one of those spikes here, all the way up to like 70 or 80. Oh, this is interesting. Maybe about to get an ad over on gold. It's gonna stay patient here. See, all dips are being bought. All the dips are being bought. Just added to the short there on gold. Stops 37.2. 37.2. 31.1. 31.1. Seems I'm about to get an ad over on gold. Sorry, not gold, ES. Just getting ready to add here. Just getting ready to add. Just added there. $20.75. $20.75. $30.75. 30.75. 31.1. Here we go. About to be stopped out over here. Maybe offset it a little bit with the target over here.
Target filled.
Target and stop got hit there. So stop got hit here. Target got hit over here. Still pending over here. Still got this potential stop out as well. Trading above the higher day. Seems like we're going for that stop.
Target filled.
Target filled over there on our friend's gold. Target filled again.
We're
Celebrate.
winning.
So looking to be stopped out over here. Seems I'm about to get another short on gold.
Order
Short on gold. 38.1. 38.1. 30.4. 30.4. So about to get a dip buy on ES. Long.
filled.
Long on ES. 23.50. 23.50. 35.50. 35.50. Can start looking for shorts over here on NQ. What do we say that was? 35.50. Let's put another out there. See, NQ's about to give us a short setup, whereas we're already long ES. Which is interesting.
Order filled.
Short. $406.25. 406. 25. 472. Yeah, definitely looks like these are going to be stopped out. Let's see. Definitely seems these are going to be stopped out. Let's go up there. Seems I'm about to get an ad. Yep, here they come to be stopped out.
Stop build.
About to add to our gold position here.
Build.
Added to that gold position. What's the stop? 36.6. 30.6. About to be stopped out here on D and Q. So the realize has gone negative. Still got quite a bit open in loss. Here we go. About to be stopped out.
Stop build.
Stopped out there on NQ. Still got the pending ES trade still running. So the problem is this didn't get us in with more contracts. Hmm? Realized minus 15. Okay. Not too bad. Here we go. Come on, surely we've got to it already. Got to 35.50, not a single contract filled. Interesting. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh, yep. Yeah, just had another signal to go along. 37.25. $30. Look at that, perfect test of the level. And now, it seems I'm going to be stopped out on a portion, down at 30. But we'll see. Hopefully we can get to target on both the ES and the gold. $34.25. What's that? 5 ticks away. Still going high over on NQ. 35. 2 ticks. There we go. Target filled on a portion. So let's celebrate. We're winning. About to get a short signal on NQ. Stop up at 503.
Target filled.
Target filled right there on ES. Let's celebrate. We're winning. Oh, it wasn't ES, it was gold. Yeah. It was gold at the bottom right. So the target that was filled was on gold in the bottom right. So seems like we're going to be filled here on ES pretty soon. Came pretty close there. My alerts went off, so we did hit the level, but I wasn't filled. $58.75. 58.75. It's 503. Oh, come on. Hit the level and come back. Golly. Anyway, there seems to be another short over on our friends over at Gold. Oh, almost went in by error. Setup's gone, so we have to wait. Golly, got to 37.25 and came back. What an absolute nightmare. Seems I may get a long over there. Taking that long. Taking that short. $29. So we got 29. Come on. 29. 36. 28.3. 38.75. Oh, hold on. I've got an ad over on NQ. Ah, it's a bad ad as well. $63.25. $63.25. Mm. 503 again. Seems I'm going to be stopped out over here on our AS. May get to target on NQ. We'll see.
Target filled.
Target fill there on NQ. We're going to celebrate.
We're winning.
Oh my word, I should not have added to that. Should not have added to the ES. Golly. Should not have added to the ES. I just realized I shouldn't have added to the ES. Because it did not qualify under the rules. The ES did not qualify under the rules. Let's see. ES did not qualify under the rules to go. So let's see if I can get out for break even here. Looks like we are going to be able to. Let's take a 1 tick loss here. Should not have added. It did not qualify.
Target filled.
Okay, did not qualify. So we at least got out of that nonsense. I'm gonna look at adding here. Oh, come on, don't do that. I've got to add. 48.50. 48.50. 501.50. 501.50. Just gotta leave the charts, so I'm gonna leave you guys in charge. Who knows, by the time I come back, all hell could have broke loose. Looks like I'm about to get another re-entry on gold. Let's go see if we can get a piece here.
Order bill.
I'm in. Let's see. Stops up at 35.4. Target 27.3. Oh, 27.3. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out here on these NQ positions. Of course, I currently realized only 18. Got these pending losses. Okay, so the current range on NQ just finally got above 200. Let's see what we want to do here. Ideally, even with a stop out over here, if we can clean up and pick up these here and pick up these here, we'll be in a decent position. But I've got to step away. magnet that 500's coming into view. You can see we've realized 18. I realized we are sitting around that 28 to 30. Of course, a lot of it's dependent on what happens over here. Potentially losing about 20 if we get it wrong, taking us negative. This here is not going to offset it because I can't add to this position. So this position is either going to have to get to stop or get to target. Ideally, you'll get to stop and these get to target, but I don't think that's going to happen. One of the hopes is if we get to target on gold, we'll somewhat offset what we've seen over there on NQ. But again, there's no guarantees. These two could turn around and head to the upside. Actually, let's go have a look at gold. If we get to both targets on gold, we're looking at picking up about 20. And we get to stop on all the NQs, looking at getting another 20 there. So these two could offset one another to an extent, but both could actually result in losses. No way this doesn't get to 500. It seems like they've switched the algos on to just simply buy, buy, buy. There we go, and plus we've seen a bit of selling there. Took us through these lows. So if we can just go and break down to the 28 threes. All the way down to 27 threes. Seeing that buy up there on the ES. You know that if ES goes up, it's going to drag NQ with it. Points. Losing about 15, pick up 20 there. Maybe up about 23 or something. Small grind. Coming down 28.5, 2 ticks away. Target filled right there on gold. Celebrate.
We're winning.
Target filled again on gold. So 2 targets filled there on gold. Taking us up to 41, but we've got this pending loss around 23. Could take us back down to 20. Then we've got this over here as well. So We'll see. We'll certainly see. Seeing the breakdown there in the gold. So previously realized we were up at 40. No, sorry, we're up at 62. Currently up at 41. So we'll see here. Let's see. If we lose like say 5 over here, but then we pick up like 20 over here, it'll be worth it. But expecting this to come all the way down to 48.50. Not sure about that. I suppose it'd be a good way to punish anybody that's thinking of the 500s, but this market seems to be very grindy to the upside. Don't see the big fake outs, the big stop hunts. Not seeing it. Very structured in the move up. Very structured. Move down through the 48.50 will be like a break of character for how the market's been behaving today, so we'll see. We'll certainly see. Once we get stopped out over here, we can start looking for shorts over on ES. Hopefully, if that is the case, we can get in a short and get target over here and get target over here. Do have the 50 period sitting there at the 68, so could be a bit of a problem for us. Could have price come down to the 50, hold, and then rally. That remains an ever a possibility here. Hold on a sec. Oh, just got another short. Got another short in gold. Hold on. Oh, we ran into the VWAP. Hesitated. Golly.
Order submitted.
Flipping hesitated, man. Golly. What are we doing? We cannot be hesitating. Stopped out over there on ES. We cannot be hesitating on these trades. If you see it, you take it. See, we could have been quite up quite a bit there on gold. But I'm not, because I hesitated. So down to 36 after that loss there on ES. Golly. And that loss would have been being offset right now with the short in gold. Hesitation. Hesitation. See, we're into that 50. That could act as a support. The target level that we're looking at on gold is down to 24.2. That's where the target is. We're down to 25s. Goodness me. Made a mess of that. Made an absolute mess. Hesitated and paid the price. Hesitated and paid the price right there. Who knows? Maybe I'll come back and I'll get some redemption. We'll keep the keep the order out over there pending. If we get to 24.2, we'll cancel the order. So we continue to hold the 50 here. Continue to hold the 50. Currently up only 36. Gave back about 5 on the ES. Yeah, gave back 5. Certainly would have picked all of that back up on this move down on the gold. So seems I'm about to get a short setup on ES. Let's see. Just be patient here. It's very tight. Nope, didn't set up. Seems I'm about to get a
Order filled.
got a short right there on gold, targeting 22.9. Why is that 22.9? 29.4, 29.4. What's NQ doing? We had a, oh goodness me, had a spike down to 65. Got 58.75 target. Would have liked to have picked that up. Certainly don't want to see a reach and then a buy. Certainly not the goal. Keep an eye over on ES. May get the opportunity to go short here. Seems I'm about to get short. Staying patient here. Taking it. $35.25. $35.25. $27.50. $27.50. Now we wait. So like we're saying, there is the risk of the NQ holding this 50, rallying to the upside and punishing us. There is that risk. Got the target down there at 27.50. Potentially offsetting the previous trade, taking us back up to 41. If that is the case, then we can pick up these 20s down here. We'll head back up towards equity highs. Close P&L of 62. But there's a long way to go. And there are a few headwinds ahead of us. So we need to break that 65, but I don't think that's going to happen. We're going to have to be prepared to go back down to break even here. We'll see. We'll certainly see. 31.3. So if we get triggered in the gold, it's 31.3. Huh? $31.3 is where that other... Oh, hold on. So here's our NQ bottom right. Here's our ES top right. Waiting to see what our friends over at gold want to do here. Okay, so we're now in gold. And this one's down to 31.3. 24.2. 24.2. So all our gold is set up in queue. We got our ES cooking, so we'll see. We will see. Certainly see here. Can't imagine they're all going to get to target, but we'll certainly see. Seems gold is going to take a little chunk off us. We'll stop out. Have to move off the VWAP. If we get to this first target, it won't be too bad. We'll offset the loss over here somewhat. It does require us to get down to that 58.75 though. Can get to 58.75 and this 27.50 certainly offset the gold. And keep asking lower. So we got 20 there. About 15 there. It's 35. It could be up to 70. Oh wow. Yeah, well, if you want to get to target, then don't let me stop you. 24.2. Come on, gold. Target filled right there on gold. 22.9. Oh, one tick away. Are you kidding me? How we hit 22.9? Not a single contract got filled. Are you kidding me? Hit the level perfectly. Come on, pick us up. Up to 41. Let's see. We're winning. Let's celebrate. We're going to celebrate because we did get to target on the first one, but a perfect test up to 22.9 there on that second portion of the contracts. Seems we're going to get to target here. Target filled on ES. Let's celebrate. We're winning. So, goodness me. What is it over there on gold? 5.2. Huh. Let's see. Hopefully we can get some of these NQ contracts off. Further add to our P&L.
Target failed.
Target fill. Let's celebrate.
We're winning.
Oh, hold on. Hold on a second here. Oh, just noticed I've got, I got a signal there to go short on our friends over at gold. 31.3 stop. 31.3 stop. 21.8 target. 21.8 target. May get stopped out across the board, but we'll take it. So we're up to 60 unrealized, 58 realized. Now, if this was to just fall through the floor, my word, would I be happy. I don't think that's going to happen, though. I think this is going to get to 30 at least. And stop me out. Come on, go pick us up here, NQ. Here we go, about to be stopped out on our friends over at gold. So we've realized 58. We're just about what, like four away from our closed highs. Hold on a second here. I should not have. Golly. Oh my word, I should not have even gone short. Oh my word. What are you doing? Similar to what the mistake I made over here on our friends over at ES. I'm going to try and get out for like break even. Because I should not have got out. I should not have gotten back in. So hopefully I can get picked up at 27.9. Mistake on my part. Matter of fact. There's a mistake there on my part. Yeah. Take the loss. It's a mistake.
Stop failed.
Okay, stopped out. Back down to 49. Was up at 58. Took a bit of an unnecessary loss there, but okay, we got down to, was that 54s? 53s. Hopefully we can pick this up, take us back above the the 60s in terms of realized P&L. Looking for that 48.50 here. How long have I been at these charts? 2 hours, 20 minutes. Okay. I think if we can get this, I'll walk away. Well, not really. You shouldn't be walking away. That's not your goal. Let's see. No, we won't walk away. We will not. So over there I lost a 10 because I made that error. How costly was that error actually? Oh no, it's merged both trades. Okay. So right now we're looking for longs in gold and only shorts in ES and NQ. Said da, 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 da. Just need a spike down here. Doesn't appear to be any levels. So I would think we could get down to that 48. See, we've got this down here. Oh, hold on a second here. Maybe about to get so. Yeah, just got the ad. $78.25. $78.25. $40.75. 40.75. Oh, just got a long here in gold. Hold on. Yeah, long in gold. $25.3. 25.3. 32.3. 32.3. Just got a short in ES. 30.75. $30.75. 24.25. 24.25. Seems that this gold is not going to work, which is fine if both the ES and the NQ can work. So we're up to 49 unrealized, 60. About to lose over here. But hopefully the loss over here can be offset by gains over here. $24.25. We've got as low as $25.75. Nah, that's too far away. Can't count that. We've gone as low as $49.50. Goodness me, 4 ticks from target. What sort of world is this? Are we for real? 1 tick away. Sorry, 1 tick. 4 ticks, 1 point away. These hedge funds, they must be watching my live stream again. Oh my gosh, they're watching my live stream again. I know these hedge funds tune in weekly. Seeing as they don't even hide the fact that they watch my live stream. It's so obvious. They know where my simulated stops are on this demo account. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, really? Okay. ES short.
Order filled.
24, 25. 24. 24, 25. 30, 25. Mm. Well. So we're up at 49. We're high as 58. Couldn't quite get to that 62. Reloaded. Reloaded across ES and NQ. Could be in for some trouble here. Buckle up your seatbelts, folks. Could be in for some turbulence. Could be in for some turbulence. Hold on a second here. Did I get this wrong? Oh, hold on. You're supposed to only be buying. What in the world? So you were supposed to just be buying? Hold on. No, you're supposed to only be buying ES. What are you doing? Yes, you should only be buying ES. Yeah. I should only be buying ES. No, that's not right. Hold on. No. It's flipping mistakes, man. These mistakes are getting on my last nerve. You're supposed to be, you were right to be shorting. Golly.
Target filled.
Target fill. Let's celebrate. Took an unnecessary
We're
loss there.
winning.
59. Oops, man. Took an unnecessary loss right there. Golly. Took a flipping unnecessary loss. Ah, goodness me. Took an unnecessary loss. Second guessing myself. Oh, about to get a long in gold. Just waiting here.
Order filled.
Yep, got another long in gold. 29.6.
Order filled.
29.6. 25.2. So 24.5, 25, 24 dot. Goodness me. 30.75. Hold on a sec. Ah. Okay. So we're up to 59. If we get to 24.25 on ES, just going to enter there. I'm going to cancel this order. Made an absolute mess of the trade. 76.75. 76. 75. 38.25. 38.25. So what's that? 40.75. 40.75. 38.25. Can't believe I made such a mess of this ES trade. What an absolute mess. Golly, man, how do you mess that up? So we're at come on, just go pick that up. Where are we? 24.50, 24.50. Just go pick that up. What are we doing? Okay. About to hit target there on ES. There we go. Target fill. Let's celebrate. We're winning. So we're back up to 62 realized. So we took an unnecessary loss over there. We got confused and we paid the price. So this seems like it's coming down to these targets down at 40.75 and 38.25. Let's wait and see. Hold on, is that even right? 32.3. 31.2. No. 32.3 and 29.6. Yeah, those are right. 31.2 and 29.6. 32.3 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 So those are right and these are right. Okay, so I'm gonna have to leave the charts, and hopefully when I come back we'll have something positive. 7 points away, down to 47, 6 points away. Well, and so I'm back, and it seems I've hit target, so let's celebrate. We're winning. So I'm up to a new high there at 80, and let's see what we got cooking on gold. Let's see, 10. No, we're probably going to get stopped out on gold. Let's see, so that's going to be 5, 15, about 95. Okay. So if that gets up to target, that's probably going to be about 15. Yeah, I don't trust it to do that, but so VIX is about flat. Current range on NQ is 202 points. On ES is 35 points. Over on gold is 31.6. Seems we're about to get a short here on short there on our friends over at ES. Stop at 25. Target down at 16. Got a short over there on NQ. Looking for 26. $65. Maybe selling a bit too low here. Who knows? Came into that 200 there. So who knows? If I can get above 100, I'm going to end the day. That's the goal for today. 100. Oh, what if you draw down? 100 up or 100 down. About that. Ooh, okay, we can't add to our ES position now because it has actually switched to a buy. So no more shorts on ES for the time being because it switched to a buy. NQ, however, has not switched to a buy. Okay, so there seems to be a bit of a divergence. When this goes up, this goes down. Okay, so what would I like to see? 10, 15. I certainly would prefer to see these get to target. Mm.
Order filled.
Just added to the NQ short there. 71.25. That's where the stop is on this second entry. 24 is a target. May lose on both. May lose on both. No re-entries available on the ES due to the fact that it switched over to a buy. So with these current contracts on our NQ position, if we can get to target on NQ and the target with ES certainly would be above 100, and that will be it for today. Looking for that breakdown. Come on, let's go. Now, the question is going to be, well, what are you going to do about the gold position? Well, I think if I can get that on the ES and NQ, if gold is anywhere near break even, I'm getting out of it. I think I'll just get out of it regardless, to be honest. But it would certainly be nice if we were to get to target here and at least get to target 1 on our friends over on gold. There's zero guarantees though, so the lows here is 32, so that's 6 points down to the first target. Further 2 points, so about 8 points down to the second target. Let's see what this market wants to do here. Even gold is selling off as well, up to 90, unrealized. There is a risk that this will hold and rally and stop me out, so zero guarantees of success. Absolutely zero. Low is 17.75 on our friends over on ES. That's quite a bit away. That's 7 ticks, that's a lot on ES. 7 ticks is huge. It's a huge amount. Got down to 35, 10 points away. On such a slow market, 10 points is a huge amount. So the 200 period buyers are just hanging around here. Certainly would like to see. Feels like the targets are in a good place if we can get through the 200. Feels like they are, but we'll see. We'll certainly see. Need a backbreaker here. Quick moves through 32s. Punish anybody who was looking to go long quickly. Anybody going long above the 200. Punish them really quick, and whatever it does after that, then so be it. So we're up to 87. Unrealized. Still hanging around break even here. Certainly prefer the breakdown and the breakout upwards. Look at that. It's holding the 200, not close below it. Probably need to clear out these lows down at 34s. Okay, seeing buying there. That's what I want to see over on gold. Got up to pretty close to 29 there. Certainly would like to see all of that taken off the table. There we go, 29.1, 5 ticks away. Let's go pick that up. Let's go pick up the 29.6s here. Still hanging around the 29.1s. We do know that if we were to get to this target over here on gold, we'll be up to about 95. Wouldn't require that much over here across these two. There's a buyers off the 200 here. Did suspect they may become interested. Come on, gold, go pick us up. Take some of this risk off the table. While our partners over at ESNNQ threaten to take away some of our P&L. Come on, let's go. Got to 29.3, was it? I got to 29.4, so 2 ticks away. We do have the 200 period here. So there is that risk. There's a buyers coming in off that 200. Coming for these stops. Let's see if we can get some offsetting. 29.5. Running into this 50 period here. Come on, let's go fill some contracts. Let's go fill some contracts here. Golly. Ah, come on. See, there was that risk of that 200, so we got this 200 holding, whereas this one's not. This one's holding as well. This one's holding as a support, and this one's holding as a resistance. Okay, looks like we're going to be giving back some profits here. Which means I'm going to have to be at the charts for even longer. Okay, let's not get too hung up on it. Okay, so 50 periods having a bit of an effect. But certainly not confident at the moment. Probably need to get down to the 38s. This would need to get down to at least the 1825s. And I would need to take off some of this over here. Up to 90. Currently been trading for 2 hours 56. Not had a true break. Certainly would like to get the 100 here. and then be able to have a break? No. If we do get to the 100, I'll be ending the stream. Because then I can mark this down as a category 10 green day. Come on, get that 29.6. That's what I'm looking for here on the gold, bottom right.
Target filled.
There we go, target filled. Let's celebrate.
We're winning.
So we've come down to the 200 there, and buyers have stepped back in. Not what we'd like to see. We've realized 85. We've got a high on the day on the terms of the realized. Okay, let's think about this. Like I said, can't add to this over here. Simply have to allow it to play itself out, because it's actually in a long phase where I should only be looking for longs over on the ES. So I can let a pending trade that's already open play itself out, but I can't get into new trades. Over and our friends over at gold, we can still look for, hold on a sec. Yeah, we can still look for long trades. Yeah, we can look for long trades. Come on. I need this to roll. It's not going to roll. I need this to roll, but it's not going to. It's built a bit of a base. Suppose we can see better on ES. We've come down. We've built a base. Not revisited the lows in some time. It just seems like it's prime. To be fair, this should come down to the 17s at least. 17s, 25s. Got to the 1775s, but is it a tech anomaly? We'll see. We'll see. Certainly feels like there may possibly be, not confident, but it seems like there may possibly be an opportunity for it to come down further, but we'll see. So that's based on what we're seeing over here on ES. Certainly seems like there could be some room down towards the 15s, 16s. Zero guarantees. Absolutely zero. Seems I'm about to get a ad on our friends over at gold. We're going to keep it on NQ for now. We're going to keep it on NQ. Hopefully we can get a quick breakdown. Breakdown through the 32s. The target isn't that far away. Below there. Let's see. Long on gold there. Looking for 30.7. $26.7. Okay, we're going to let that roll itself around. Okay, come on, let's go get that 32s here. See, we're above 100 unrealized, but I want it to be enclosed P&L. Let's move down. I'd like for it to be enclosed P&L. Seen around at 100. Go down to the 34s. Need to clear these 32s. See, this is quite a bit away, isn't it? 1775, 16. Let's see. Let's put an alert out there at 32s. I'm going to put one at 3175. Let's see. So once we clear the 32s, I don't want to see buyers immediately step in. I want to see price appear comfortable down there. Buyers step in is a big problem. Ideally, I'd like to see flush quickly. Slowly grinding down there. There we go. Seems comfortable. Should follow through. Here we go. Come on. Buyers have come back in. Buyers came in down at 28. Let's hold red here. Let's hold red. Let's go revisit 28. Let's go revisit 28. 1675 there. Went as low as 1650. 2 ticks away from our target. Well. Buyers have come back in. Down to 98. Wasn't even paying attention to the P&L, to be honest. It's not what I want to see here on gold. That's what we want to see. Up to 102. Certainly would like to get the targets here on NQ and DS. So we got down to 27.75. Is that right? Yeah, 27.75. And over on ES, we've gone down to 16.52 ticks away. Strong move there. Fairly strong move there on gold. Certainly would like to see us rally towards the 30s. Take that off the table. Add some more to our realized P&L. And this to flash down. See, the buyers weren't able to follow through, so I'm hoping that this candle can see a greater violation of this low here. Low around 33.50, so I want to see a move back down to 30.50 here. Put an alert at 30.25. No. Well, further away from that 100 now. 29.3. Come on, let's go. Let's go gold. Let's go take some of this profit off the table. Ran right into that 200. Seeing the divergence, ES and NQ go in the opposite direction to gold. Not what we want to see. So the NQ is the most volatile. That's why any move up is having an outsized effect on the terms of the P&L. Because from the 28s all the way up to the 50s, it's made a major impact in terms of the P&L. I suppose we also have the fact that we've got ES on as well. Oh, come on. Let's get above the 30s here. Currently testing at 50. Failure to hold it as resistance is going to see this absolutely fly. This will fly. That 50 doesn't hold as resistance. This is just going to blast off. Hoping to see a divergence, buying here, selling across these two. 29.5. So that's 12 ticks away. Come on, get comfortable above the 200 here. So we gapped up and sold, so we should rally into the close of the candle. But there's zero guarantees we'll do that. See all the moment, see all the tension being built between these two moving averages, the 50 and the 200 for a blast. So we're having difficulties around that 29.5s. Seeing the divergence here and not in my favor. Selling, buying. So we're up to 95 here. As NQ continues to fall, it's going to have a positive impact on our P&L due to the volatility of this particular instrument. So we're about 12 or so points away from target. Doesn't appear to be any major potential hiccups that I can see. Back above 100 there. But we do have this 200. Let's not forget it. We can trade below it, but there's nothing stopping this from finding buyers and just dragging this thing like a rocket ship to the upside. So the previous lows are down at 27.75s. One of my targets at 26, the other one's at 24. See if we can go pick that up. So we've realized 85. If we pick up that 23s, essentially, we're going to be up 108. And that's without including the ES over here. I think if we can pick up these two, I'm just going to close the gold position regardless of where it is. Because a P&L across these two Even closing this for a loss, still be above the 100 target. But as the saying goes, the best laid plans of mice and men. See that 200 is acting as a resistance here. Seeming like we're going to go and hit some of our stop losses. Just needs price to get comfortable down here. So what did we say earlier? I think we said we really need price to get through the 30.25s. All the way down here. It should make a test of the lows more likely. And a break of the lows only need about 2 points. Yeah, about 2 points to pick up the first target. So we got through 30.25s. Don't want to see buyers here. Slight buying. Let's stay below 36. Ah, come on. Let's stay below 36 here on NQ. Damn. Hmm. Okay, back down. Okay, let's stay below 36. Okay, see we're up to 109, 111. $26.50. Target fields. Fantastic targets. All targets hit right there. And I'm going to close that one there. So we're up 115. Rather than wait for this to get up to 30.7 over on gold, I have closed the position after my target was hit there on ES and NQ. And with that, I'm up 115. So let's celebrate.
We're winning.
So we're up 115 and I'm going to end the stream there. As I did say earlier, 3 hours, 15 minutes. Let's have a look at our trade performance. Let's go. So on our trade performance, we can see here a lot of volatility in terms of our P&L. First, we're down 2. We peaked up at 62, I believe. It should be 62. No, 60. That's interesting. So we peaked up at 60. We then drew down, went negative. 9, rallied 24s, then drew down even more, down to 17. After which we went on this run as the market was compliant towards our strategy, slowly building up our P&L while suffering some pullbacks along the way. And finally, we're going to end the day here up at, why is it 113? Why is that saying 113? Huh? That doesn't even make any sense. What the hell? Generate. Is it commissions or something? This is very odd. Why is that saying 113? Very strange. I'm using this P&L. I'm not sure what this is about because I've got commissions added. So anyway, so let's go have a look at our summary page. On the summary page, we can see here total gains, total losses, 7 in commissions, profit factor 1.79, accuracy 88%, average win to average loss, not what we're looking for, 0.23, largest win to largest loss, again, not what we're looking for. Time in the market, a bit longer than usual, at, well, longer than recently, at essentially 15 minutes. So that's going to be it for now. What I'll do is I will do a recap. I am unsure as to why. What could this be? Could it be? No. There's no way. I'm sure I closed the gold position for a gain. So why is the P&L? Let's go have a look at this gold position. Oh, okay. Oh, so I manually closed the position. It's registered it as a loss. How? Oh, I understand. Because I added to the position, so I would have won on one part of the position, I would have lost on the other part of the position. Okay. So, of course, we had 30.7. That was one of the targets, which I'm not going to hang around to see. 30.7. And the other one was 32.3. So those were the targets on gold. But because I've got above the 100 mark, I've obviously closed the positions. And I'm not going to live to see these targets. So I'm going to wrap up the video there. I'm going to thank you for watching.